So here is the before. As you can see, the bucket is loose, can be easily knocked out, and in order to prevent critters from going up the drain hole, I had to 3D print a piece here. Mounting plate is attached with 5 screws, 2 on the side and 3 on the top, and it's pretty much secured. And retrofit completed. Operation is fairly straightforward. Lift the tank, pull it out, there is the silicone insert, and it goes back in, slides back in, and then you close the thing, the lever, and now it's held securely in place. And the original cover still fits over it without any issues.